Hey guys, I'm just going to run through a quick video on how to set up the MMS and WEB on your HTC Desire. I know there's a very common problem which are reported in forums which emphasize the generic network failure problems that keeps coming up on their handset. Now I got in touch with O2 myself, so it might be worth that if you're from other network providers to get in touch with them, because what they can do is email over to you or go through the settings that you'd need to set for your handset. So I'm just going to dive into it straight away. So what you'd need to do is select menu, settings, and then tap on wireless and networks. Now what you want to do is ensure that mobile network itself does not have a green tick next to it, so that means it's switched off. So you want to click on the one just below that, which is mobile networks, with the little arrow facing down, and that will take you to a different screen in which you want to select access point names. On the video, mine shows that it's already been set up, but for those who have set it up and it's not working, you want to go to menu and reset to default, because you want to get rid of the data that's already on there. But for those who have a blank screen and nothing under the APN list, like listing under the APN, you want to select new APN. Now once you get onto that, you will get into a screen which says edit access point, and it's got a number of fields such as name, APN, proxy, etc. So what you want to do is just tap onto name and then type in O2, and make sure you put in O2 and not 02. So type in O2 pay monthly MMS, and then you want to go to APN and ensure that you type in wap.o2.co.uk and then tap OK. On proxy, you want to type in 193.113.200.195, tap OK. Port should be 8080, tap OK. Username should be O2WAP, tap OK. Password should be password, tap OK. Server does not need to be set, so that can remain as not set. So the MMSC should be set as http://mmmsc.mms.o2.co.uk:8002. MMS proxy should be set at 193.113.200.195, then tap OK. MMS port should be 8080. MMS protocol should already be set at WAP 2.0. MCC by default should be set as 234. Put it in and tap OK. MNC should be set at 10. Authentication type and APN type should not be set. Once you've done that, you want to select menu and save, which should take you back to the previous screen, which looks a bit like what mine showed before, which has under the APNs listed O2 pay monthly MMS. What you want to do at this point is ensure that there's a green dot in the grey little circle. If not, just select that and a green dot should appear. Once that's done, you want to click back 4 times to get to the main screen. Once back on the main screen, you want to switch your handset on and switch it back on. Then once you've done that, if you go back to menu, settings, wireless and networks, you want to ensure that you click mobile network so the green tick appears, because now what we want to do is send a multimedia message just to check that it's working. Now once that's set up, you want to go and just send a picture as normal, and you want to, for example, I sent it to a different handset, which was my brother's 3 network handset. Now it didn't send straight away, but what I'd done is that once this other handset did not receive the message, I sent the message to myself, the multimedia message to myself, which I received it. Then ironically my brother's handset received it. So give it a go and good luck.